So sadly, another one of the factory guys is out for the last 2 rounds, this time being Jason Anderson, who, as you can see, kind of had a pretty innocuous crash, kind of not much to it. Right there, lands, cross jumps, doesn't hit the front of the jump or face or anything, just kind of hits the top of it and then rolls off to the side of the track and falls onto the, I guess probably not the softest side, cement or plywood, whatever you want to call it. But he did post on his Instagram, quote, "So last weekend I had a crash in practice that I didn't think was too bad. After racing and practicing this week, I felt something was wrong. So after a CT scan, it showed I had a non-displaced fracture at C6 and C5 in my neck. Obviously, that's one of the things we fear the most as racers, an injury in that area. But luckily, where the fracture is, my season is not over, and I can come back to the races relatively soon." So apparently, it wasn't from that accident. Still sucks to see, even if it wasn't from this, it probably didn't help his injury at all or whatever he was dealing at the moment to fall like that. And it sucks to see because the last 2 rounds, you've got so many people injured, so many factory guys out. And I don't know, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do? Is he going to make it back for the first round of motocross? Is he, how well is he going to do in motocross? Whatever it is you want to say, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.